Welcome to Pod Tuesday News Review on December 27th. Pod TNR is your news about issues that are important to IDA providers in our community. Thanks for tuning in.
December is Universal Human Rights Month that in part celebrates the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The Declaration was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly on December 10, 1948. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights includes the right to be free from discrimination. For example, Article 25.1 states, "Everyone has the right to a standard of living adequate for the health and well-being of himself and of his family, including food, clothing, housing, and medical care, and necessary social services, and the right to security in the event of unemployment, sickness, disability, widowhood, old age, or other lack of livelihood in circumstances beyond his control." PAR continues to work with Josh Shapiro, Governor-elect of Pennsylvania, as he develops his IDA policy platform and subsequent budget proposal for the Commonwealth. PAR remains active in several efforts at system reform through rate stabilization and alternative payment models. PAR has been helping self-advocates to work on federal legislation to eliminate the upper age limit for eligibility for Medicaid buy-in by passing the Senior Care Act. Congress recently passed the Consolidated Appropriations Act 2023 that funds the federal government through September 30th, 2023, the end of the federal fiscal year. The bill contains several provisions of interest, a timeline for winding down the federal funding associated with the COVID-19 public health emergency, a 4-year extension of the Money Follows the Person program, 5 years of Medicaid funding for Puerto Rico, and permanent Medicaid funding for other U.S. territories, and shifting advocacy to the administration for the elimination of electroshock therapy for individuals with IDD. Thanks to Anchor and Community Options for their analysis of the bill. Please go to www.par.net/action-center to contact your House and Senate members to support PAR's advocacy efforts.
Remember to follow PAR on Facebook and Twitter to check out, like, and share our posts. Be sure to tag Governor-elect Shapiro and your federal and state legislators to help spread our message. Thanks for watching Pod TNR. Stay safe, everyone, and be sure to tune in next year.